Hi, this is Bree King, and this is my Capstone 4. The issue is the limited freshwater resources and how to manage them in the future. One place of interest is Wentworth, New South Wales, Australia, and it lies on the Darling River in the Murray-Darling Basin. This area of Australia has been getting warmer and receiving less precipitation, meaning less stream flow, which could put this area and source of freshwater at risk. As global warming continues, the atmosphere can retain water at higher capacities, causing there to be more droughts that last longer and precipitation that is less frequent but more severe. Hibberd. This increased potential for severe droughts and limited rain would put pressure on the freshwater source, the Darling River. Since Australia would be getting warmer and drier, settlements would need to move to areas with groundwater resources or move to places along the river to be able to access the fresh water, which causes a lot of problems. One problem would be the increase of people would deplete the river that much faster, and if more people colonized further up the river, people downstream would receive decreased amounts or no water. With more people settling, it would be almost impossible to prevent pollution of the river. The fresh water would be depleted quickly for agriculture, businesses, drinking water, cooking, municipal, and energy needs, among many other things. The population is already set to increase, meaning more food needs to be available, meaning more water is going to be used for agriculture, and 90% of water globally is already used for agriculture. The change of land use is also going to heavily impact freshwater systems because land that is urbanized to house the expanding population could cause a potential increase of the hazards associated with floods and would affect the rate of groundwater recharge. Jimenez scenario. Wentworth is already a decently sized city, and if people had to start migrating to it when warmer and drier conditions hit, everything mentioned would heavily affect the city. There are more ways to prevent this from happening, and some include desalination, water reuse, more efficient irrigation methods, drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and better pasture management. Jimenez scenario. These would all help to ensure that freshwater is used more efficiently in a place that it would be greatly beneficial, like Wentworth, Australia.